Do you know that achieving a flawless and glowy skin before Christmas is highly achievable? Yes, if you do all the things that I will say in this video. Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl Amarachi Favy. I want to start this video by saying a huge thank you to all of my subscribers that checked up on me. I posted something on my community post saying that I'm sick, and that is the reason why I've not been able to upload since this week. Okay, and you guys really checked up on me. The love was massive. Thank you for your prayers. Thank you for your concern. Even for people that reached out to me on Instagram, I am super grateful. Okay, so in this very video, I'll be sharing with you a skincare routine that would help you to glow up, help you to achieve that glowy skin, brighter skin, radiant skin before Christmas. If you follow all the things that I'm going to share in this video, in 1 week, you're going to be seeing visible results, like your glow go dey blind your enemy's eyes. So if this kind of video is kind of video that you're interested in, just sit back and let's dive into the video proper. So the very first thing I want you to know is that for you to achieve a flawless skin, for you to achieve a glowy skin, you have to eat the right kind of fruits or kind of fruits, starting with carrots, starting with cucumber, watermelon, fruits that would help you to glow from the inside. Orange also contains vitamin C that would help you to stay glowy, and you'll be seeing the visible results on your skin. Also, you have to be hydrated because this particular season that we are in, which is the Harmattan season, is a season that like our skin will appear dry, it will appear flaky. So you have to stay hydrated from the inside so that you will see the visible results on the outside. What I mean is, if you're hydrated in the inside, like if your system is hydrated, your skin would glow, like naturally you would be glowing. If you eat the right amount of fruits and vegetables and also take like the right amount of water in a day, you'll be seeing visible results. And also, if you do everything I'm going to say in this video, you are going to be noticing visible change on your skin. So the very first product I'll be telling you about today that would help you to glow is Micellar water. Okay, this particular Micellar water is from the brand Nivea. This is Nivea Perfect and Radiant Even Tone 3-in-1 Micellar water. This particular Micellar water deeply cleans your skin and removes makeup, refreshes and tones your skin. This particular period is a period that I know that most of us are going to be wearing makeup because of the series of events that we have piled up for this festive period. So if you are going to be wearing makeup, you'll be needing the micellar water in your routine, okay? And even if you're not going to be wearing makeup and you have an oily skin, like your skin secretes a lot of oil and skin easily gets dirty, I would say you should get a micellar water. So the first step you will take in your routine is to go in with your micellar water and a cotton pad, okay? Do not apply micellar water on your face without a cotton pad. You're going to be using a cotton pad like this and then dab your micellar water onto this cotton pad and use it to cleanse your face. Use it to wipe your face. That's the first step to take. Once you do this, you're actually going to notice that the cotton pad will be very dirty. Like you'll be seeing a great amount of dirt. And if you're also using it to remove your makeup, you'll be seeing those makeup, like the makeup products would be on the cotton pad. And if after the first cleanse, you are not really satisfied because the cotton pad will be really dirty, you can go in with the second one. So cleanse your face multiple times until you achieve kinda a clean cotton pad, or your cotton pad will look kinda clean, although it will not like be clean because actually you're cleaning a dirty face. And after that, the next product that you will be going in with will not be your cleanser proper. This micellar water would help you to deeply cleanse your skin and remove the makeup products and prep your skin for a wash. This is the first step. I call it like a pre-cleansing step. The way we use like a mild soap to pre-cleanse our body, this is the way I would recommend that you use a micellar water to pre-cleanse your face. So if you're done cleansing your face with a micellar water, the next step I want you to go in with, especially if you want to achieve a glowy and flawless skin, would be you using this particular face fat ceramide cleanser. This is hydrating cleanser. This particular ceramide cleanser contains ceramide, of course, and also it contains oats. This cleanser deeply cleanses dry, sensitive skin and also helps to strengthen and protect your skin barrier. Like when your skin barrier is broken, you're going to be noticing that your skin will be breaking out a whole lot. And the ceramide that this particular product contains would help you to restore your skin barrier back. okay, so that you will not break out as often as you used to before. Also, it will deeply cleanse your face. It will target those dirt on your skin and wash them away, okay. But that's when you are done with your micellar water, and then you now go in, pour water on your face and then use this particular cleanser to wash your face thoroughly. That way you're going to be noticing that your skin will now be very, very clean and very, very neat for the next product that you're going to be using. Remember what I used to say, like, you do not have to apply a product on a dirty skin. Applying a product on a dirty skin will even make the matters worse. So that is why we're making sure that we are double cleansing, okay? Double cleansing meaning that we've already cleansed our skin with the micellar water and we're cleansing our skin now with a cleanser, okay? Yes. So when you are done cleansing your face, the next thing I want you to go in with is a toner. A toner would help you to brighten your skin. And the toner I'm going to be recommending for you in this video would be this particular toner from Dr. Rachel. This particular toner is actually very big, like it is very, very big. So it will last you for a reasonable amount of time, okay? And this particular toner contains niacinamide, it contains vitamin C, is an essence toner. It will brighten your skin, it will moisturize your skin, it will hydrate your skin, it will get rid of dark spots on your skin, and finally to give you that glow and radiant skin that you are looking for, okay? It helps you to achieve brighter skin and a radiant glow, just the thing I just said now in this video. This toner would help to, moisturize your skin, especially if you have like a very, very dry skin and you're looking forward to getting a toner that would deeply moisturize your skin and also brighten the skin. This is the toner that you should lay your hands on. And after toner, the next thing I want you to apply on your skin will have to be a serum. And for serum, I'll be recommending Pioneer Hyaluronic Acid Serum, okay? But if you cannot lay your hands on the Pioneer Hyaluronic Acid Serum, I would say get this particular serum from Dr. Rachel. This is Dr. Rachel White Skin Serum. And this serum contains alpha-arbutin, it contains niacinamide, it helps to reduce hyperpigmentation, it helps to reduce dark spots. Also, it gives your skin a smooth finish, and also it helps to brighten your skin because it contains alpha-arbutin, and alpha-arbutin that it contains will target the dark spots and gradually fade it away, okay? So this serum is actually very good if you incorporate it into your routine. Just 2 to 3 drops of this serum on your face and your face will be glowy, like your face will be super, super moisturized and also brighter. It helps to give you that flawless skin that you are looking for. Like, trust me, I've used like a lot of bottles when it comes to this serum. If it is not good, I will not keep repurchasing, okay? It is good. That is the reason why I keep repurchasing. It also helps to close, all these visible pores that you see on someone's face. That is even the reason why I bought it. I was having visible pores on my face. Like, when you look at my face, you'll be noticing that I have large pores, okay, and they are so, so visible. And I did not like how it made my face to look. But when I laid my hands on this serum, like, that visible large pores became a story of the past, okay? I started noticing that my face was becoming smoother and the pores were tightening, okay? Yes, so these are the things that this particular serum will do for you. Also, the Pioneer Hyaluronic Acid Serum is also good. It will help to give you that brightening effect, and it also give you that flawless skin that you are hoping to achieve, and it also give you that glow that you are looking for in this festive period, okay? Yes. So now you're done with the serum, and the next thing you're going to be going in with is your moisturizer. And for moisturizers, I'll be recommending this moisturizer from Nivea Soft Moisturizer. This particular moisturizer is so, so good on the face. Like, it helps to brighten the skin. And this particular moisturizer is for face and body. But people have asked me, what kind of moisturizer can I use for my face and my body? This moisturizer is a moisturizer that you can use on your face and on your body. It helps to moisturize your skin, like deeply moisturize your skin, and brightens your skin. It helps to keep your skin soft and smooth, and the consistency is not that thick, okay? It has a light consistency, meaning that it will quickly absorb onto your skin. So it will not be giving you that greasy effect. Use this moisturizer and thank me later. So when you are done with your moisturizer, the next thing you know that you're going to be doing, you are not going to be skipping this if you want to achieve that radiant skin, is a sunscreen. For sunscreens, I'll be recommending this particular one from Bio UV. This is the one I use, and it is actually affordable and also portable, okay? And it works, like it works for me. But if you're not on the affordable team, you want to get something that is also good and you have much money to spare, I would say lay your hands on Skin Aqua or the Nivea sunscreen. Sunscreens will help to protect your skin from the harmful UV rays. It will help you to stay protected, like maximum protection from the sun and any damage that comes from the sun. Okay, if you are yet to watch my video on sunscreen, please, this is the time to do that. You can go ahead and watch it and see the importance of sunscreen. Okay, so this sunscreen contains 50 SPF, which means you're going to actually be protected, like, which means you're going to actually be getting a maximum protection from the sunscreen. Okay, that way you're not going to be having dark spots, you're not going to be having hyperpigmentation, and you're not going to be having sunburn. Do you understand? Yes. So if you do all these things and follow all the steps that I just mentioned in this video, you are going to be noticing visible changes on your skin in just a week. I bet you in a week time, you're going to be coming back to my comment section to tell me your testimonies. Okay? Yes. So this is another path in our Operation Glow Up Before Christmas. If you enjoyed this particular part today, please do not forget to subscribe. If you are yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel. It helps me to grow. And remember to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the very first person to get notified once I upload a new video on this channel. Okay? Yes. And remember to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me to know that you are enjoying the content that I am creating on this channel. Also, leave a comment in the comment section if you have used any of these products and they have worked for you, or if you are confused on the one to get, or if you are looking forward to any other video that you want me to create. You can leave a comment in the comment section. I will be there to answer all your questions and also take note on every video that you want me to make on this channel. Okay, and until next time, my loves, stay glowy and bye.